friends, welcome back to my channel, Robin here. In this video, I'll be making spicy wonton noodle soup. First, let's make the wonton filling. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. Mix all the filling ingredients in one direction, so everything will combine together well. Set it aside for later use. Now let's get into the exciting part, the homemade wonton wrappers. This part is actually very easy if you have a pasta maker. I discovered this technique 3 years ago by accident, and I never bought wonton wrappers ever since. First, mix all the dry and wet ingredients together to form a dough. It doesn't matter how big your eggs are, just make sure the ratio between the flour and the liquid is about 1 to 0.55. If you're a little short on liquids, feel free to just add water. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. The dough will become soft, but not too soft. I'm going to rely on the pasta maker to do the rest of the work. Ta-da! Now I have 30 beautiful wonton wrappers. There are many different ways to wrap the wonton. The easiest is just to place a little meat in the center, tap a little water, and pinch the wonton skin together. It's quick, easy, and impossible to mess up. Because these freshly made wonton wrappers are naturally moist by themselves, you can actually pinch the skin together without using extra water. The third part of this dish is to make the soup. Add the ginger, dried chilies, shiitake mushrooms, chicken stock, and water into a pot. Let it boil and simmer for about 10 minutes, so all the umami flavors will integrate nicely into each other. Taste the soup and salt to taste. Here I'm going to boil the wontons for about 4 minutes. If you use store-bought wonton wrappers, you may need to boil them for about 6 minutes. Cook the egg noodles based on the instructions on the packaging. Boil the bok choy for about 30 seconds. The broth is steaming hot and the mushrooms are so fragrant. Wow, the pork wonton with the spicy kick is incredible. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Bye!